Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to authenticate your custom domain in Mailerlite. So before we begin, keep in mind that Mailerlite does not host your domain. So you'll need a third-party provider like GoDaddy or Bluehost to host your domain first. Now let's get started. So first head to your Mailerlite dashboard and navigate to the account settings page. And in the settings menu, select the domain tab. Once you're there, click on add domain and enter the email address you'd like to use for sending your emails and click save. This is how it looks. So then after that, click on the authenticate button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to start the authentication process. So click continue to move forward. Now MailerLite will automatically scan your domains to detect your provider. If your provider is supported, MailerLite will guide you through the rest of the setup. Right. So if your provider isn't edited, don't worry, you can manually authenticate by selecting your provider from the drop-down menu by choosing others. Right. So you can also like provide with MailerLite will provide you with TKIM and SPF records as well. Keep this page open as you will need to add this to your DNS settings. Next, go to your domain hosting providers. Website and access the DNS settings for your domain. If you're unsure how to do this, contact your hosting provider support team for help. Here you will need to like record add the DKIM as a CNAME record and SPF as a text record. Alright. So using the name and value fields MailerLite provides from here. Just copy them and paste it on your hosting provider's DNS option. Check on the green check DNS record button and this will check if the DKIM and SPF records are matched. If everything is correct, MailerLite will confirm the records match and your domain will be authenticated. Now, if the records aren't approved right away, don't worry. It can take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate. If issues persist, make sure you are adding the records to the right platform and check with your hosting provider for assistance.